Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 7 to an iPhone. First, you'll need to download the Zepp Life application from the Apple App Store. This app is essential for managing your Smart Band. Make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on and your Smart Band 7 is fully charged. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, ensuring you're ready to go. Now, let's get your devices paired. Open the Zepp Life app on your iPhone. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Navigate to the Profile section within the app, then select Add Device and choose Band from the options. Keep your Smart Band 7 very close to your iPhone during this step to ensure it's easily discovered by the application. Once your iPhone detects the Smart Band 7, a pairing request will appear on your band screen. You'll need to tap to confirm this request directly on your Smart Band. After confirmation, the Zepp Life app will guide you through any remaining setup steps. This is also the perfect time to personalize your device, adjusting notification preferences, and choosing your favorite watch faces for a tailored experience. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A simple restart of both your iPhone and your Smart Band 7 can often resolve minor glitches. Always check for the latest updates for both the Zepp Life app and your band's firmware, as these often include important bug fixes. Also, ensure there are no other Bluetooth devices nearby that might interfere with the pairing signal, keeping your connection strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.